This is the OE adapter that's going to switch out with the main adapter. This one's going to be the P&H adapter. This one's going to be the pin arm adapter. This one's going to be the push button adapter. And lastly, this one's going to be the narrow push button adapter. This is going to be the main adapter that comes with the blade. What you're going to want to do to get this off is you're going to pull on this tab right here. You're going to pull on that tab and you're going to pull up, and it should come right off. So as a reference, the wiper blade is going to be in my left hand with this arrow pointing out toward the left. What you're going to want to do is basically locate the OE adapter. You're going to look at the four corners and find the side with the indented edges right here. Basically, you're going to take that indented edge and you're going to find that hollow space in between. And you're going to basically, with the front side down, slide that hollow space into the rubber up here. And then once that slides in, you're going to drop the back end, like here. You're going to drop the back end and basically it's going to slide into place and it's going to lock in. And once that's locked in, what you're going to want to do is basically just boom, snap it in. So this is going to be an alternate angle of installing the OE adapter. The wiper blade's still in my left hand with the arrow facing out. What you're going to want to do is make sure the arrow is pointing up, and this is going to be the underbelly. And you're going to find the end where there's a hollow space in the middle. And what you're going to want to do is basically slide up and down, and you'll see how all four corners basically lock in. This is how it looks like. And then once you see this front part actually lock in, you're just going to snap it right into place. So now with the OE adapter installed onto the wiper blade, you're going to be using this arrow right here that's pointing out toward the left as a reference point. And as an example, here is the push button adapter where you will see an arrow, and basically you're going to want to make sure that those arrows align. This installation is pretty easy. If you look at the underbelly, there's a pole basically where you attach onto the semicircle, onto the dome, and basically it's just going to snap right on. So now that you have the OE adapter on and the push button adapter on, I'm going to show you how to install the adapter for the pin arm. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to find the side with the little nub that's coming out. Basically that side is going to fit into the smallest hole. There's going to be a small, medium, and large size hole. And you're going to take that little nub area and basically you're just going to snap it in and it should fall right into place. And basically once that goes in, it'll just drop into place and you'll be able to insert your pin arm installations. So now that you have the OE adapter on, I'm going to show you how to install the adapter for the narrow push button. Remember, always use the arrow right here on the actual OE adapter as a reference point. And on the narrow push button, what you're going to see is another arrow. You're going to make sure those arrows are facing the same way. And you're going to locate the underbelly where this semicircle hooks with the dome. And basically, you're going to make sure that arrows are obviously facing the same way. And then what you're going to want to do is basically just snap it into place.